thank you very much for your patience. So thank you so much for coming down. Honorable Minister, sir, friends, colleagues, mothers, sisters, with us here we have got our Deputy Permanent Secretary of Agriculture. Now, our visiting you here today is twofold. One is to tell you what is our vision for agriculture and how we plan to, induce and promote agriculture, production and supply. Now, you must have seen me on TV, read about my statements in papers, and heard over the air that we want to promote commercial agriculture. Now, those of you who are doing agriculture small scale as a hobby, as a part time, that's okay. You can continue. We will not bother you. You don't bother us. We don't want to support. We don't want to support leisure farming, hobby farming. We have done that for long, and we cannot continue to pour in government money for that. Secondly, we don't want to support farmers who continuously want to depend on government support. We can't. We can't come and give you money every year, for seedling or planting material, when you could have easily got your own planting material seedling. It's happening in some places. Right? We want to see, if you're a commercial farmer, we want to see how you are, really expanding. We will assist you to take off. Most of you have already taken off. But from there, you must grow on your own so that we can go and assist the other farmers. We've got limited resources. As you know, we also have a major budget cut. Now, we strongly believe that we can really revamp agriculture growth and production. I've seen massive amount of land lying idle in Bar district, which was under sugar before. There could be several reasons. One is that the lease is expired, the farmer lease was not renewed, the farmer is left, so the land is lying idle. Number two is the farmer is there, but there's no one else to cultivate the land, just the old man and old lady. So if that is the case, we'll have to release the land. You might want to get your house block, but we have to put the land under agriculture in national interest. In national interest, the country needs agriculture production. We cannot continue to depend on remittances and tourism sector. Income from remittances and tourism is volatile. Something happens in Australia, New Zealand, in America, US, etc., it will affect our income. If we are dependent on tourism and remittances, we will need to support primary sector, because the primary sector, the agriculture sector, is in our control. Tourism is not in our control. Remittances is not in our control. So we have to really prop up and grow and get agriculture sector. My Turaga. Now, as I said, we want to go big time in commercial agriculture. Now, but we can't go down the line like you see some other sectors going. All kinds of subsidies, grant, it's not sustainable. It'll go belly up. What we want to do is tell you that, look, you produce, we will buy. You don't have to go and look for the market in Tabua town or Bar town or Suva, etc. We'll come here and buy it here. Literally here. What is AMA? Yeah. We now have spoken to AMA, food processors. I saw food processors guys. Yeah. We've spoken to them. We will work as a team. Agriculture Ministry, AMA, food processors. We will come and we will give you the list. In our list now, you produce cassava, we'll buy all cassava. 1 ton, 2 ton, half ton, 50 ton, we'll buy. Cassava leaf, soft leaves, 5 kg, 5 ton, we'll buy. Rosella leaf, half kg, 10 ton, we'll buy from here. Okra, good quality okra, soft one, not hard one that you can't cook. 5 kg, 5 ton, we'll buy. Duruka, 5 gram, 5 ton, we'll buy. Bongo chilies, 5 gram, 5 kg, 500 kg, 5 ton, we'll buy. Dalo, 5 gram, 5 ton, 20 ton, we'll buy. Our Dalo exports has gone down half. We'll buy from here. We'll come this way, our pickup vehicle. I will tell you how we will do it. Rice, where's the sweet? Look here with that. 85% of the rice we are importing from Vietnam, Thailand. We want you to plant. All this land is vacant. What you gonna do with that vacant land? We want to buy that rice. You plant. We'll get you a harvester to harvest. You can't harvest now. No, back will pain. Not like when we were young. We'll buy all the rice. Don't worry about where you want to sell. We'll buy the paddy. Right? $800 a ton at the moment, going rate. You don't have to go to the market. Sometimes you hire a pickup vehicle, you load it, you go to the market, they look at the volume, they dictate the price to you. We'll give you the price ahead. If okra price is $2 in market, we'll give you $1.75. But at least you don't have to go all the way there, hire a pickup vehicle, etc. Because we're picking up all the cost, transportation cost. We'll take it. We'll look for the market. We're now organizing themselves, IMA and processes. So all we want, you go into commercial farming, not this, Kota Aika, Bongo chili, one chain of, tomato, etc. Don't do that. Don't plant 10 times vegetables in your farm. You decide 2 or 3 or 4. Don't do one, because if there's a pest attack, you lose all your income source. So you diversify a little bit. So what I'm saying is that we give you the market, we buy your product. You grow. You be a grower. Don't look for market, don't become a salesman. Don't. We will buy wholesale. We'll break the market here. But when you're ready, then we will give you a schedule of pickup. We'll come, we'll give you the price in advance. And the price will be revised every 3 months, 6 months, etc. We'll come, we will wait. We'll weigh it. And then we'll write it down. Okra, 50 kg, price is $2, $100, Timothy. We'll give you a chit, we'll keep a chit, we'll sign off. In 3 days' time, we will deposit in your account within 3 days. We don't want to give you cash, we don't want to carry cash. It's important that we deal with proper transactions electronically or in your bank account. Number 2, later on, we also want to establish all of you FNPF account. And we will do when the silent kar do. एक चीज बोले silent. ऐसे ऊपर ऐसे करना वाली silent. What we want all of you below 50. I think above 50 FNPF doesn't allow to become members. We will get you to become FNPF members so that when you retire after 55, you have a source of social security, pension. At the moment, they all of them here, they are members of FNPF. They retire, they get it, but not the farmers. So we want to make you voluntary membership. And then, when we pay you this proceed, then from there, if you sign off, we will do a small deduction and pay it to FNPF directly. Now, God forbid, assume I become a member today. I don't want to use your example. Assume I become a member today. I put $100 in FNPF. $100. Just today, assume I become a member today. And tomorrow I die. That's why I didn't want to use your example. Tomorrow I die. My beneficiary, whoever, my wife, whoever, will get $6,000 minimum. special death benefit. I mean that whether it's $100 there or $200 there, get $6,000. Right. But of course, we don't want that to happen to anyone. Of course, when you retire and then you get pension. We want to treat you as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, agriculture business person. We don't want you to be a small-scale farmer. There's huge money to be made in farming, in agriculture. Now, all those large commercial farmers, when AMA, we get them AMA to pick up and buy your product, we will also open up your trust account with AMA. Each farmer, what's this area called? Marinitawa. Marinitawa, in our Excel sheet, is farmer Johnny. When Johnny, we have to pay $1,000, we will deduct 15% and keep it in the trust account. You can draw that 15% in the next crop when you want to plant, want to buy fertilizer, weedicide, plowing of your land, you can use that money. We'll pay directly. We'll provide fertilizer from there. So every season when you want to plant, for the next season, you don't have to look for money. We'll open up a trust account if you want. So your money will be there, directly deducted from your proceed. Whenever any money is in the trust account, that's your money. We can skip it. You can use it for your, for your farm inputs. You pick it up, weedicide, pesticide, fertilizer, etc. So that's how we are looking at promoting commercial agriculture. I'm very worried. I've seen this massive amount of land. I was coming the shortcut from Nandari this way. What do you call it? What do you call that road? Bula Bula and all those. Massive land. Vacant. Reserve. See, reserve land with no agriculture will not give any money. Money doesn't grow. Money doesn't grow. Hey, Johnny? You have to farm the land, sell the product, then you'll get money. There's no money tree. So today we are here. The second purpose is to say that, look, we want to give you ID cards. We want our farmers to be registered with us. We'll have your database. We will know what farmer you are, agriculture farmer, what crop farmer, what year you are registered. And anytime when we want to have a meeting, we will have your number, phone number on our database. We can send you messages, text message, etc., to call you for a meeting and organize yourself. So we want to treat you like any other profession. Agriculture is no less than an accountant or a school teacher, because here there's no boundary, there's no limit for making income or for getting income. In a school teacher, the salary is fixed. Accountant, the salary is fixed. But there's no limit. Ask this guy; he'll tell you how much money he's making. Right. So we want you to be a business person. Don't call yourself a farmer. You call yourself an agriculture entrepreneur. We want to move from family farmer to commercial farmer led by agriculture entrepreneur. All of you are agriculture businessmen, and that's what the ID card, like the other guys, the school teachers, the accountants are carrying an ID card, you also have an ID card. That's how we want you to. You should feel proud that you are a business person. Right? So I'm saying we want to assist you to lift, to grow, but you can't be dependent on us. I find farmers coming to us asking for assistance every year. It used to happen. It's not going to happen anymore. We assist you today, then you grow. Don't come to us again. I'm going to go and assist him or her. So that everyone gets government support. Everyone gets opportunity to live, to grow. But if you have that mentality that you will come and ask for money every year, that can't happen. It won't happen. Okay, we want to support everyone to grow. All of you should grow. All of you should grow. All of you should have opportunity to get government support once. So that's why we are today. We want to thank you very much for coming here and taking out your time. I want to now uh, launch this farmer ID card. This will be for all farmers in Fiji. They have an ID card. They must feel proud of being an agriculture entrepreneur. Thank you.
Dinesh Ravindra Kumar, Mustaq Ali,